Hello, my teacher, my classmates, presented by Elbert, Joanna, Jairo, Ednison. Value method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. The cost method is based on a cost-saving approach of research, development, and innovation to obtain the best results. Valued value method used to establish the price and the reasons of the selection. Market method is designed in the development of new information technologies based of science approach. Income method is designed for the negotiation of the different concepts of software information. The company Software Colombia S.A. It is made up of several services which offer a web presentation layer in what is called an intangible asset that can be monitored, measured, and archived continuous strategies for the development of new formulas and continuous improvements. The licenses that are handled are 6 months, a year, and infinity. Can be licensed according to the type of software obtained by the user or free, or this why the requirements of the customers. Conclusions. According to the requirements of the clients, it is very important to know what type of technology the companies require, which are required to sell a product. It is important to be clear about the concepts of the main negotiations, as well as the importance of what is they served in the system of productions. Jairo Alexander Ochoa. Bibliographic reference read the following article attached at the learning environment as an approximation to a decision model to value intangible, and an approximation as a model to value intangible asset. Case study company, the Software Colombia S.A. Revista Universe Contable. Thank you very much. So long.